Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today we're going to talk about Intel. We're going to give you all the price prediction update in the market for Intel. Price currently is looking pretty bullish. Yeah, so currently we're looking for price in Intel to go lower, but I'm going to show you from the chart as to why that changed and why we need to look for price to go up in Intel. So welcome everyone to my channel. Make sure you hit that like, share, and subscribe if you guys want to learn more about what I do in a very simplistic way. So currently, I can show you right now from our price prediction in Intel, which was produced here on December 23rd. The idea of that moment was us to look for Intel to go lower, and we got these pockets down here, right? We were identifying and looking for Intel to go lower, right? We got these three pockets of buying. 1, 2, and 3. Now, when you see price not break through pockets, it means something. So as we're anticipating price in Intel to go lower, look at how many times the buyers in Intel did not let the sellers break the pocket. 1, 2, 3. Every time the sellers were successful in pushing price back to the pocket, the buyers gain control. 3 times we've seen sellers hit the pocket, but the buyers like, man, I'm telling you, don't come to this pocket, because every time you come to this pocket, I'm gonna buy the stock. That's what they was doing. And the sellers kept trying them. They kept testing the buyers, and every time they tested the buyers came through and price bounced. That is powerful. That tells us right then and there that, hey, something is going on in the market. Apparently, someone wants to buy Intel. Somebody was buying Intel because they knew that this price was going to go up. Understand, this market does a whole lot of research. Whatever methods they instill in their firm, in their business as an individual, somebody was ahead of the game, and they saw the price hitting the pocket 3 times as an opportunity to buy. So yes, hopefully he was able to grab something out the market in Intel from our prediction. It's not a lot, maybe around 6%, 6.5%. That was the amount of profit that the market was offering. If you didn't, then we will be down in this prediction 12.61%. All right, so let's get rid of that. Let's get rid of these circles. And now we will also get rid of these pockets of selling. Okay, so we're trading at a pocket of selling right now. Okay, now let's break this down. Okay, because the last time we saw Intel hit this pocket, which was in January, what did the price do? Do you see what changed from now to January when the price was in this pocket of selling? What changed? Can you see it? If you can begin to pinpoint, okay, what's different now that Intel is trading at this sell pocket again? If you don't know, I got you. I'm going to tell you. What changed is, for one, the volume. Okay, look at the volume in January when price was up here at this pocket of selling. Look at the volume now when the price is up here at this pocket of selling. Price has increased. I mean, not price, but volume has increased. Volume is the lifeblood of the market. It tells us how active people are. People weren't buying Intel in January. They didn't believe that the price was going to go higher because the volume is not backing that belief. We're getting that now, though. Maybe the market is believing that Intel is going to break this pocket of selling. Understand, people won't get in position if they don't think that their opinion is going to pan out right. So this high volume is telling us that the conviction of the market is believing that it's going to break this pocket of selling. The next thing that has changed from January to now is the spread of the price bars. We really didn't see a big spread in Intel back in January, did we? Nope. But we're getting it now. Wow, that's huge. That's huge. And then look at what we received yesterday in our signal. Something is going on in Intel. Now, it doesn't mean it's going to go immediately up. It can. But usually when we see a market go up 7%, 6% the day before, it tries to come back down because people are satisfied with taking that as a profit. Now, let's look at Intel on the 2. Look at that bar. Isn't that crazy? Look at this 2-day price bar. That's deep. That's big. This spread looks to make Intel try to hit this next pocket up there around 24, 25 bucks. That's how wide that spread looks to me. Okay. Intel on the 3. We have one more day and 9 hours on the current 3. It still looks bullish. What about on the 4? This is the printed final 4-day bar. It looks just like the 2. Look at that. The market is trying to go somewhere. When you see a bar like that, the market's trying to go somewhere. Here it is on the 5. Intel on the weekly. 2 weeks. Okay, so we have 1 day and 9 hours left. This is on the 2-weekly time frame. This is definitely bullish. All of these price bars right here is definitely bullish. Right there. They were accumulating this stock. I don't know who. Was it Cathie Wood? Was it Warren Buffett? Was it Citadel? Was it another hedge fund? Was it Ray Dalio's hedge fund? Somebody was buying. Was it Nancy Pelosi? I don't know. But right here is a massive magnet. We saw it right here on this weakness bar, but the market didn't go down. Look at that. We saw it on this weakness bar, but the market didn't go down. We saw it on this weakness bar, but the market didn't go down. Somebody is putting this stock in a 401k. I don't know, but they've been accumulating the mess out this stock. Whoever it is, they know something. So that is very bullish on the 2. Here it is on the 3 as well. I like Intel. This looks pretty decent now. All right, so let me go ahead and put this on back on the daily. We're going to look for price in Intel to go up. Now, we're trading at a sell pocket, so expect price to go down. I'm just saying. When price is at a certain pocket, you expect a certain type of activity. Since we're at a sell pocket, I'm looking for the market to sell, to go down. So what we're going to do is we're going to take it all the way down here to this pocket of buying, to where we don't suspect price to go and the buyers to not relinquish control. Well, maybe we can break this down to 330. Let me see. Okay, so that's a pocket there. This on the 1 hour. Okay, so here's a pocket right here. Okay, so I like that. Yeah, I think that's the biggest pocket there. All right, so I'll take it up a little bit. And then we will create another sell pocket, just a target, which is going to be right here. Now, our first target is going to be all the way up here, around $24 on the low of the sell pocket. You guys can see that's 6.81%. Our second target will be at the high at $24.20, 7.7. And longer term, maybe around $24, $25, which is 10.59% move there. And that's it. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit. And as always, trade different.